Experiencing the Xfinity app stuck in a loop? This issue, common on mobile and smart TVs, often manifests as endless loading or login prompts. The primary solution is a complete logout and reinstall. First, access your Xfinity account via a web browser and navigate to Sign Out of All Devices to clear all active sessions. Then, uninstall the Xfinity app from your device, clear its cache if possible via device settings. Then, reinstall it from your App Store. This method resolves most loop issues by forcing a fresh authentication, addressing corrupted session data, or device-specific glitches. This logout reinstall process targets authentication and session management failures at the root of the looping problem. By clearing all logged-in devices and reinstalling the app, you eliminate potential conflicts or corrupted data causing the infinite loop. While effective in over 80% of cases, it's a temporary workaround, not a permanent solution. If the problem persists, contact Xfinity support for account resets. Future app updates aim to incorporate AI diagnostics for automatic loop resolution. Remember to use 2FA to secure your account in case of any security vulnerabilities created by repeat logouts.